morning. If you're looking for a real informative instructional video, don't watch this one. We just had a relaxing weekend. It was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous weather out here. For the first time, we actually had the kids come over and we did a sort of outdoor, not barbecue, pizza party or whatever. Social distancing gathering. But the grandkid was over, the kids were over, and we just hung out and we played some golf, drank some beer, ate some pizza, and it was kind of funny. So on this video, I just happened to record while I was out here just doing stuff, but I cut the golf hole in finally. The flag's up in that. It's coming in pretty good. Still not puttable, but it is chippable at this point. We harvested our first squash, which is kind of cool. I'll show you that. And just sort of chilling out. Waiting on this fence. I don't know, the fence people were supposed to come today, but we got thunderstorms rolling in here this afternoon, so I'm going to talk to them. I don't think they're going to come today. We'll see. Oh. And I'll tell you what, we've got some company coming over today for a social distancing picnic, our family and grandkid. So I had to come out here early Sunday morning, probably about 9 o'clock, and cut the back grass. So that's all done. Oh no. Then I figured I'd go ahead and cut the hole in. So let's try it here. I feel like I'm 16 again, cutting holes in golf courses. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. And everyone's like, oh, wow, it's really hard to cut a hole. Yeah, it is, dude. It is hard to cut a real good golf hole if you know what the hell you're doing. This works. Oh, yeah, that's just beautiful. God, I'm a genius. All right, so now I'm going to get the dirt. This label. Just on top of that label. Man, that worked out perfect. So, instead of spending $150 to $800 on a hole plugger, I used a $19 piece of exhaust pipe. And I gotta say, that's pretty darn good right there. Pretty good. The green really isn't ready for play, but the little one's coming over. I figured I'd do this for her. She'd love it. And now I present His Majesty's flag. His Majesty's flag. Well, it's not the best flag in the world, but it'll be fun for the little one. She'll get a kick out of it. I'm gonna order actually a real flag here in the next couple of weeks, but that one will do for now. I'm number one. I'm number one. The yard looks friggin' incredible, to be honest. It's just hard to see it in the sunlight. It's kind of shiny. It's that early morning sun that's got it kind of messed up there. You can see it. Looks great. And nice gentle stripes. I hate strong stripes. Here we go. It's the number 1T. Gosh, I bet you that's probably 40 something yards from back here. Looks good. Linda. All right, you ready to go garden? Come on, let's go get some vegetables. This way. Cassie? Is Cassie coming? We got to get some squash out of here. Oh no, what are you doing in here? Okay, I'm gonna cut it, and then can you get it once I cut it? Hold on. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna cut it. Get that yellow thing. Grab that. No, not that one. Grab this one right there. That big one. Grab that big one. There. Okay. Grab that big one. Bring it out. Oh, it's big. It's huge. You can get it. Come on. Here, give me that mermaid, and then you can get it. There you go. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, there's another one we got to get, but it's going to be hard to get. No, not those. Over here. You can get it here. You hold that one, and I'll go get it because it's way in here. Wow, look at those two. We need to go take those to Coco, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go take those to Coco. Take them to Grandma. You're playing golf. You're down there playing golf. Go take them to Coco. Linda ran fast, I know. Fast. So, I told you this video was going to be about nothing. It's like a Seinfeld episode. It's about nothing. Anyways, I'll put up a shot. We picked our first squash after it's roughly 6 weeks, which is actually kind of incredible. And the little one came out and helped me. I'll put that up in a minute. But we're getting ready to finally get some rain moving here. I'm going to do a update video on my super soil and that super compost for this, because a lot of people had more questions about how to make sure it gets activated and how it sort of generates that heat. I don't think enough people are actually putting water on it, enough water and stirring it. These tomato plants, no fertilizer, just this Humichar compost that we're making with, there's a video up on it. But I mean, you can see how tall these things are. Now I got to go through here and do some pruning and some trimming. But you can see the fruit loaded up with tomatoes in there already. And then this squash, I think these are about 7 weeks old. This is about 6 weeks. These were 6 inches when we planted them, and I've got probably 30 squash in here. And yesterday we actually picked our first 2 squash. So that's just amazing. So the yard itself looks nice. Now we're cutting this about 1/2 inch, and it's absolutely gorgeous, except for the divots now we have. And that's right at 1/2 inch. Super thick. I can't even get down through it at 1/2 inch. And that, I mean, I'm starting to switch over to Super Juice next week, but up until this point, what has made this yard this way are 3 things, and that is PGF Complete, that's the primary thing you want, Humichar, and some of that organic chicken feed in the video. Not too much of it, but PGF Complete and Humichar. It's just really doing well. So, like I said, what I thought was going to be a day of shooting a fence video today, it's probably going to be a day of shooting rain, because we're supposed to have some rainstorms, some storms move in, and some thunderstorms move in. So while I'm doing nothing, I figured I'd show you how I actually make up my yellow squash. A lot of people think you just basically boil yellow squash, and I almost never boil it. I actually grill it. So I figured I'd just show you my favorite way to grill it. I do this almost every time I cook yellow squash. I do it this same way. So you can see the squash. Squash looks amazing, by the way. It's fresh picked. I like to pick it when it's pretty small. And here's how I'm going to prep it up real quick. I just use spray butter. It's like 0 calorie. I can't believe it's not butter. And I'm going to coat all of these pretty heavy. Next, I take Mrs. Dash salt-free garlic and herb. Parmesan cheese. Okay, my grill has been heating, and I have an upper rack in this grill. And so what I'm going to do, it's hotter over here, so I'm just going to set them like this. 2. The little small neck sides go towards the back. I have it on high. I'm going to leave it on high for just a couple of minutes to get it nice and warm. Then I'm going to turn it down to low, and I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. Alright, so what I do is I kind of sneak a peek at them, and when they start to get kind of dark brown on the top, I sort of shut off my grill and just leave them until they're tender enough to where I want them. So let me show you what they look like. Let me open it up and see if they're... Oh yeah, they look good. And again, you can sort of just squeeze them and feel if they're soft. I like my outside a little bit firm. And so that is amazing. Serve them with anything you want. We like to grill chicken, serve them with chicken, just cut them up and eat them. So join me next week for a video about nothing. It was just a nice quiet weekend, enjoyable.
Linda,
nothing much.
Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you look pretty on that grass. You look so pretty. And you can see how short that grass is. Look at her little paws. Those little paws on there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why you have to be so cute? Why you have to be so cute? Oh, so I told you today would probably be a video about nothing. Oh, that's a good smelling hat there, isn't it, Dad? Not a whole lot to do with all this rain. What are you doing? Excuse me, you're on set. We're trying to shoot a video here. Oh no. God. Anyways, not a whole lot going on. Just killing today. I don't know what else to do. I really don't have anything else to say or do. I'm just sitting out here being an idiot, looking at this beautiful grass.